So we have 5 and 241,000. So what I would like you to do right now is to put the discs on the place value chart. Ethan. All right, once you have done that, please put your pencil in the air. How many ones do I have? Tenths, hundredths, and thousandths. Good. Okay. Here we go. Okay, so we are dividing it by 3. They've already done 3 groups for us. Our first step is to try to divide the number 5 into 3 groups equally. So I would like for you to do that right now, please. 5 into 3 groups equally. When you're done, show me low how many ones are in each group. Show me low. Kaden, how many ones are in each group? Yep. Alright, so on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
1.
Alright, so we have 1 in each group. Therefore, we need to write a 1 above the 5. Okay? 3 times 1 is 3. So we subtract 5 minus 3, and what is 5 minus 3, everybody? 2. Where do you see this 2 on our place value chart? Not the tenths place, Ayla. In the ones, what do we need to do with these 2 leftover ones, everybody? If you know it, say it. Unbundle, move them to the tenths. So I'm going to move 2 ones over to the tenths. So guys, if 1 1 is equal to 10 tenths, then how many ones, or what is 2 ones equal to? How many tenths? 20. So we're gonna have to put 20 discs. It is, and then since I unbundled them, I'm crossing them off. So we've divided on this side, multiplied, subtracted. Now I have to bring it down. What does this number 20 represent on our place value chart? What place value does 22 represent right now? Raise your hand when you know it. What is it, John? Tenths. We have 22 tenths right here. All right, so next we need to divide 22 tenths into 3 groups equally. Okay, go ahead. Ooh, that was a lot. How many are in each group? If you know it, show me in your hands high in the sky. P-Hoff, you got 7. Good job. So we're going to put our 7 right above this 2 in the tens place. Don't forget your decimal. Now we're going to multiply. What is 7 times 3? If you know it, shout it. 7 times 3. 21. So we're going to subtract 22 minus 21. So this 1 right here represents this 10th that is left over that we need to unbundle over here. So 1/10 is equal to how many hundredths? 10. Good job. I can understand why you'd think that. That's okay. Yeah, it's an accident. Alright, so I've divided, multiplied, and subtracted. What do I do next? Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring it down. Good job. What place value does this 14 represent? Raise your hand when you know it. What place value does this 14 represent? Ethan?
It represents all of our hundreds.
Our hundredths. Good job. So what we need to do now is equally divide 14 into 3 groups. Go ahead. Show me low to the ground. How many are in each group when you know the answer?
4.
Everybody, 1, 2, 3.
4.
All right, so we need to put our 4 right here above the hundredths place. Okay. 4 times 3 is 12. Good. So let's subtract. 14 minus 12 on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
2.
Good. So we divide, multiply, subtract, and bring it down. We need to bring down this 1 here. Now, these 2 hundredths represent this 2 right here, okay? These 2 hundredths, do they need to be unbundled?
Yeah.
Yes. So if we have 2 hundredths, then how many thousandths will we have?
21.
Right, 21.
When you're done, what do you want us to do?
So this 21 matches this 21, right? All right, so what we need to do now is divide these 21 thousandths equally into 3 groups. When you have it, give me a thumbs up.
On our class institution, it had you come to school and not sleep, and then my dad said, why are kids in your class sleeping? And I said, yeah, Miss DC had to wake one up by dropping a dictionary on his seat. And then he went, and I said, she didn't hit me. I didn't get into the details, I just said something.
Well, the key is to just do it on the surface by where they're sleeping and wake them up. That's the key.
My dad, whenever I fall asleep when I'm not supposed to, there's a little bit of me, he's just knocking his fingers in my ear, and then he'll grab his phone and go away and use it in my ear. It's really bad.
Ava, how many thousandths are in each group?
7.
Oh, I meant Ayla, but I said Ava. Sorry. Anyway, 7. So we put our 7 above the thousandths place. Okay? Think about what's 7 times 3. And then on the count of 3, we'll say it. 1, 2, 3.
21.
So we subtract from 21. Oops, I'm running out of room. And I have 0. So I have 0 here. Do I have anything left here? No. Let's check our answer. How many ones do we have in each group? 1. How many tenths?
7.
How many hundredths?
4.
And how many thousandths?
7.
Does this answer match this answer?
Yes.
Awesome. Okay. Good job. I will let you loose, but if you would like my help, you can come up to the front table, okay? Don't forget, divide, multiply, subtract, and bring it down.